Welcome friends. In this video we shall talk about the hand yoga pose which cures the problems related to throat, larynx, pharynx. It removes tonsillitis and cures all thyroid related problems. This hand pose is called as Shankh Mudra. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Shankh Mudra. To form this mudra, form a fist with your right hand so that the left hand's thumb is clasped into this fist. Join the tip of the right hand's thumb with the tip of the middle finger of the left hand. Keep the remaining fingers of the left hand straight and close to the right hand fist. Hold this mudra in front of your sternum, and while doing this you can chant Om to increase the benefits of this mudra. If you like, you can interchange the hands to form this mudra. That is, the right hand can become left hand and left hand can take form as for the right hand. The suggested time for doing this mudra is 15 minutes each, 3 times a day, or 30 to 45 minutes at a stretch per day. This mudra is shown in the picture here as well. Shankh Mudra benefits. This mudra helps us know our inner self. It helps become self-aware and more straightforward. It has excellent positive effect on throat and the glands near the throat. It cures tonsillitis. This mudra cures thyroid and parathyroid problems just like a magic. It fixes stuttering or stammering and makes the voice melodious. It strengthens our navel and all the nerves, that is nadis, which are attached to the navel. Note that it is believed there are 72,000 nerves that are attached to the navel. Shankh Mudra. This mudra regulates body's metabolism and thus improves digestion and increases our appetite. It strengthens the nervous system. This mudra helps in growth and maturity. Therefore, it can increase height of the individual also. It alleviates the itchy skin and red skin rashes problem. However, there is a caution. Stop doing this mudra if by doing this mudra you start gaining weight or you feel weakness. Another caution is that overdoing this mudra can make a person more anxious, and it can cause excessive sleep and can make a person feel migratory pain. Now let's have some general information on the mudras, but I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is the summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are tattva mudras and 5 are pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic Mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. 2 different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.